Hello everyone, take a green circular sheet of paper and on the sheet, stick some little plants to it as such. Then take this kind of leaf, make a slit in the middle and make it look like a butterfly. Paint it in different colors to make it look all the more realistic. Then add little clouds at the top of it. Take some bubble wrap, add tape onto a black sheet of paper and then add your bubble wrap in the shape of a pear on top of it. Now paint it in yellow and around it paint it in green. Make it look like maize and then add the detailing to it. Next, we'll start off by taking some leaves, cut off the base of it, add tape to one of the ends and then stick it on a circular white sheet of paper. Make it look like a cacti and then after this add thorns to it, add a little pot at the base. Take pink, red, yellow, green, blue and then purple clay, stick them all together in balls on a leaf and then add a smiley face to the top. Make a little sun at the top and then add maple leaves all around. Take 2 yellow circular balls of clay and then add a third and then stick it onto a brown circular sheet of paper. Add earbuds all around it that have been cut off and then draw on the stems as well as the leaves. Add the detailing to it as such, make it look like it has flowers, then add little white dots all around. Take 3 bottle caps and then make multiple slits in them and flatten them out. Taking some yellow, blue and then pink clay, insert it into the center portion of your bottle caps. Now take another portion of clay and then make a bee out of it. Take some green paper and then take some seed shells and then stick them all around your paper in order to make it look like the leaves of the tree. Do this after sticking on what looks like the bark of the tree made out of some black paper. Make a small little creature on the side as well. Next, using this kind of pith, cut out 2 circular shapes, stick them one on top of the other. Now add Santa's hat to the top of it and then do this out of clay. Make this Christmas themed scarf as well, add buttons to it and then add some tape to the bottom and add pith all around. Thank you for watching.